How you doing?
How you good?
Nice to see you.
Good. Nice to see you.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good. Vacant property list.
They try to increase your taxes. So I gotta submit this vacant response form. If you fail, your property will be designated as vacant, reclassified accordingly. The date of this was... Oh, we might have already fought that.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Oh, that's old.
Yeah. So yeah, 021 22nd Street. This is a countertop you've been using in a lot of places.
Okay, this is nice.
Yeah. On both sides.
Yes.
With the overhang.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's on point.
So this one's gonna be nice with the deep sink
Yes.
undermount. Let me think. You know, microwave, range. Actually, yeah, dishwasher.
Oh, gas range.
Fridge. Yep.
Cool.
We got gas in here, which is great.
Love
It might actually be like a, even though this is standard size, it might end up being like a 5 burner
Gotcha. Yeah.
or the 4 burner with the little
With
grill
the
in
grill
the
in the
middle.
middle.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's good.
I know. I would like that.
Thank you. Yeah. So it's gonna be 3 bedrooms. We got all those windows. We replaced all the windows. It's gonna be like a sunroom.
Yeah.
I don't know how we're gonna stage this. We got a bunch of windows. So like, I don't know, maybe somebody's TV might be right there.
Mhm.
Or some kind of something.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe dining room over
Yeah.
there.
That's
And
exactly
then
what
maybe
I
a
was
little
thinking.
like four-person table right here. I don't know.
I don't know if you can do that. You can put the dining room right here.
Yeah, I mean,
This
that's
would be
true.
like just a living room
Yeah,
right here with the TV
yeah.
and the dining room right there.
So it's just a lot of open space and new owner, they can figure out
Yeah.
what they want to do with it.
Yeah.
So the floors are here. You gotta let the floors sit in the house
Right.
to get
To
with the
acclimate.
weather.
Mm-hmm.
So they right there, engineered wood.
This is beautiful.
What I like about it though is a lot of times in DC, we don't have like
The
pantry space.
Yes.
So we'll be able to have pantry space for food right here,
Yeah,
which
that's
is
nice.
perfect. So they built that in, they're filling these seams.
Yes.
Yep.
And it looks like it's gonna have the drawers.
So that'll be nice.
It's real nice.
Yeah. All of them are the, I guess, where the drawers. Should be the soft clothes, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is really nice. I like how this is.
Oh yeah, let's take a look upstairs. That window out there. Then, this is the master.
Okay.
So, you know, it's not like the suburbs.
Right, right. Make it work.
Might as well have this balcony.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
That's a great feature for the master. Yes.
3-car parking. Over there will be
Love
for
this
your trash
wall.
can. Yeah.
I love that.
And it'll connect in the front, so you'll be able to let your dog out back here.
And it's nice that it's not the straight up and down, like, you know, like over there.
We do this. We started doing the sideways points
That's neat.
a couple years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It gives it more of an upscale look.
Uh-huh.
That's on point.
Yeah.
This is nice.
I like
That's
it a lot.
about 3 parking spots.
Yeah. 3 nice size parking. They had
Yes.
their big dump truck, another like Ford F-250, and a work van.
Wow.
You know, all side by side. So you can fit 4 smart
Can't
cars.
complain about that. In
Nope.
DC, you
I know.
got 3 parking
Yeah,
spaces.
off street.
Yes.
And in the front, it's parking on both sides. Is it parking on that?
Alternate sides.
It's just one side.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Yeah.
Oh,
So that's the master.
this is nice.
Yeah. So that's 2 sinks. We always take the shower up.
Yes.
Shower, big, always have, make sure I got it.
Right.
You know?
That is my house now.
Yeah, a little
I
soapbox.
got about a corner.
Yeah. Toilet, dual
Yes.
sinks. It'll be
Dual
cool.
sinks, always.
Always gotta have a dual
Always.
sinks. Well,
I don't even have that right now.
closet in there.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice. Kids room or
Kids
study.
room or study.
Yeah.
It's a legal bedroom.
Office, yes.
So then that's what I'm saying. This house wasn't that big. Like,
Well, this will
because the second floor doesn't go out over the sunlight.
Right.
If we had that space,
Yeah,
oh man,
yeah.
it'd have been crazy.
Man,
Yeah, but that would have been a different permit.
absolutely.
What do you mean?
Adding square footage, it would have made the permitting process like too long. Just for that square footage, it would have, I don't think it would have been working.
Oh, okay.
So,
Really nice.
yeah.
So what is the rule with the handrails?
We'll have a rail right here.
Okay,
It'll be black. Similar-
Okay.
Not like the ones, it may actually be the same rail that outside.
oh,
It'll be black.
yes.
Yeah, and it'll match the black trim
Yes.
in here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's real modern.